knock, duct tape fix, lawnmower racing past the barbecue pit, beer foam flying like a busted fire hose, mama's yelling, y'all better not blow up the porch. Two-step spinning in a mud hole deep, boot heel stuck but we still keep beat, wallet on a chain smacking my knee, jingle jangle like bad life choices following me. Fireworks lit with a cigarette tip, buddy yells run, then immediately trip. Sky lights up, dogs start preaching the blues, beer in my hand, not a single excuse. Radio screaming outlaw sins, boobs bounce by, we forget our names. Shirts gone missing, pride's long dead, country party straight to the ER, maybe. Crack that beer, spill it twice, yell yee-haw like it's legal advice. Two-step drunk on a gravel floor, fireworks pop way too close to the door. Boots, beer, boobs, chain swing, free redneck party. No responsibility.